Would you like to learn how to make a delicious Instapot chicken and broccoli? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this Instapot chicken and broccoli recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. We're gonna need some chopped up onions and scallions, and of course some chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any parts of the chicken that you like. Just make sure that it's thinly sliced and washed. Clean your meats, pumpkin. Let's get started by adding some avocado oil to the Instapot, as well as some sesame oil. And I'm also adding in some Chinese cooking wine. You could use any kind of oil in replace of the avocado oil, but you definitely need to be using the sesame oil in addition to the cooking oil because the sesame oil is packed with flavor. I forgot to mention that the Instapot is currently on saute mode. Now add in the onions and scallions. Cook and stir for about 2 minutes before adding in some garlic. Now cook and stir that for about another minute before adding in the chicken. Now let's cook the chicken for about another minute. Then after the chicken has cooked for about 1 minute, then I'm going to add in some oyster sauce, as well as some hoisin sauce. Now it's time to add in some chicken broth. Give all the ingredients a good old stir before adding in some soy sauce. Now we're going to stir it all up again. And then we're going to go in with some brown sugar. No, it won't make it sweet. Shut your face. Now stir it up and then pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what it's giving. While the chicken was cooking, I gently steamed some broccoli in the microwave. You can do it on the stovetop if you prefer. I didn't cook the broccoli with the chicken because I don't like overcooked mushy broccoli with all the vitamins cooked out. But if you do, knock yourself out, add the broccoli in with the chicken. I forgot to say that after the initial 5 minutes, I turned the Instapot back to saute mode. Now I'm adding in the steamed broccoli that I steamed in the microwave for 4 minutes. And now I'm going to stir it up and let it cook here for another 5 minutes on saute mode. And the broccoli will soften up a little bit more here as well and absorb all of the yummy flavors. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all, it was so humbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This Instapot chicken and broccoli came out really, really delicious. I adore Asian food anyway. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
You like and subscribe. So good. Make sure you like and subscribe. And you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.